To demonstrate the shared infrastructure applications Jenkins and SonarQube deployment using Podman Cube. So Podman Cube YAML file offers us to basically define multiple pods inside YAML file and create the complete application stack using the Kube YAML file. It's just like more or less Docker Compose or Podman Compose. It's just that the YAML file is similar to Kubernetes YAML file. So let's take a look at the YAML file for this, and as you can see here, this is defining the secret, just like the Kubernetes secret, then the persistent volume claim for the volumes, then let's see the pod. So this is the NB Jenkins controller pod. It is using a custom image, NB Jenkins clone. So in Docker Compose, you can specify the build context to build a custom image, but this is not possible with the Kube YAML file. So you need to manually run the command to build the custom image using Podman. So similarly for the Jenkins worker, we are using the custom image. For SonarQube, we are using the image provided by SonarQube, and for database as well. So yeah, this is how you define the Kube YAML file. So let's first build the custom image for Jenkins controller using this Podman build command. And the Docker file I have mentioned here, and it's in this directory. And this Docker file is copying the plugins which I have specified in plugins.txt, and cask file which contains the configuration for SAML and SonarQube. And for Jenkins worker, the Docker file is this one, where it is installing the Sonar Scanner CLI on top of the inbound agent image. Okay, now the Jenkins controller image has been built. Let's spin the Jenkins let's build the Jenkins worker image. Okay, now the Jenkins worker image is also built. Now let's deploy the shared infrastructure application stack using this Jenkins SonarQube.yaml file. And for that, we will use the command podman play cube jenkins-sonarqube-cube.yaml file. So okay, so this application stack has been deployed. Let's see in the Podman UI. So as you can see, the containers NB Jenkins controller, NB Jenkins worker, NB SonarQube, NB SonarQube DB pods. So these are the pods. You can see in the pods tab as well. And you can click in the controller and you will see the logs. Okay, now Jenkins is fully up and running. So let's open the browser. Okay, so now Jenkins is up and running, and let's see the SonarQube. The SonarQube, let's check the logs. Okay, it's not operational yet. So meanwhile, we can set up the agent, which would be the Podman Podman container. Okay, so worker one agent is not connected yet. I will copy this secret. We'll modify the YAML file because that's where the secret has been stored. So I'm using a strain data, so I'll just copy here. And then I will restart the application stack using the Podman Cube Play. Okay, so the application stack has been recreated. Okay, so now the worker one agent is connected to the controller. So now let's see the SonarQube pod. It's operational. So okay, so now let's log into SonarQube using the default credentials. Let's go here, configuration, webhooks, create, URL is this. Let me grab the secret. The secret is already in the cask.yaml file. Okay, now I will create a token for scanning the code. And this secret needs to be updated in the Jenkins credential. Okay, now let's run a job to execute the SonarQube scan. So I'm executing the scan on worker 1 node. So as you can see, the SonarQube scan has executed successfully, and you will see the Hello World project in the SonarQube, which has scanned the code. So yeah, as you can see, using the Podman's Kube YAML file, you can deploy the multiple pods like Kubernetes pods.